Hello and welcome. I want to show you today this V690 Sportline camper van from Chausson, 636 centimeters long, costs less than 65,000 euros. And what's good about this thing here is that it can offer a huge amount of space at the back. Look at all that storage. There's back there, there's even a ramp to get a motorbike inside. The bed will drop down. Obviously now it's in its highest possible position. Could you sleep in there? Is there enough space for you? Well, if there isn't, you can knock the bed down a bit. You can knock it down as far as whatever in the back will allow. It will of course come right the way down to the shelves in the bottom. Anyway, let's have a look at some of the other features of it. We've got plenty of storage up here, storage going all the way around, skylight at the top, coming forward, fridge here, and below that there is a wardrobe as well. In here, a shower, large shower. Oh, more lights have just come on in here. It wasn't because of me, that's because the external lights which just came on. And here is the semi-dinette. Table will extend also a little bit further. I do like the indirect lighting in here as well. Kitchen block, 2 burners, sink, nothing unusual about that. And down here there is this drawer. Note you've got steps there to get up into bed, although I think with the lack of headroom you're going to have to be quite strong to pull yourself up that high. That's why it also comes with a ladder. Storage up here, and in here we will find kitchen extension, and I think that's meant to be a place to put your sandals. So the front of the van is quite standard. It does come with something here to put your papers in, as you used to always get with cars. Don't see them so much these days, or maybe I just don't go into cars very much these days. This is the clever bit now. Let's come around the back. Look at all that storage there. Amazing, I think. Anyway, this layout has now been on the go for a few years, and you can find it in other brands as well, which so if you don't like Chausson, then you can find something similar. Storage down there, lot of space down there. And in here we will find the gas cabinet, and there's space for 2 full-size gas cylinders. Why is this here? This is part of the bed. Obviously the outer part of the wall goes like that, so that will allow when the bed comes down, the bed to be extended to use either side of the wall. I'd show you the thing coming down, but for that I need the key, which I didn't bring, or I don't have actually, so haven't got, I should say. Outside shower is there, electric point there as well as a light switch. So if you've got a motorbike, you want to carry it around, you'll want to possibly look at a layout like this. If you think your motorbike's not going to fit in that space, you can take that board out and put it to one side, so you've got even more space, although it will make getting into the toilet more difficult. So you might in that case want to say, well, I like the layout, but I want a toilet with a sliding door. And that you'll have to look for a different brand. So there you go, Chausson V690 Sportline with space for a motorbike or anything else large you might want to carry around with you. Thanks for watching.